Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you the Send Note by default feature of the RedmineUP Helpdesk plugin. So firstly, let's go to our demo server and show you the feature itself. Okay. So it is demo.redmineup.com. So we log in here and then go to the Helpdesk project. Now when we open some ticket, we see that when we click reply button, there is Send Note feature and it is automatically enabled. This is the feature of replying to a client. So when we click the reply button, it is automatically set and we send him an answer. Hi Derek. And some text here. Okay, so we sent our message to this client. Now, if we click on the edit, we see that this option is also automatically enabled. So we could send a second message to Derek. Hi Derek, I forgot to tell you something. This means that the Send Note by default feature is enabled. Let's go and see where is this feature located. So it is located into administration, that is on the top right corner, and then plugins, and then Helpdesk, and here it is, Send Note by default. Okay, if we disable this feature, let's go back and see what will happen. So we refresh our page, and then when we click edit onto the ticket, we see that this option is now disabled. So this means that we could now just leave a command for the inner team of the support. So it will not be sent as a message and as an email to the client because this feature here is disabled. So it is just a command. Hi colleagues. Hi colleagues. Just to tell you that this case with the client is solved. So this is a command and it will not be added and it will not be sent to the client. So we could see the difference here. The two messages that we have sent to the client when the feature was automatically enabled, we see here it is a green arrow and an envelope. So this means that it is an email sent to the client. However, this command and inner note to the team is just a text. It does not have this green arrow and envelope. So it is an inner Redmine command, and all the Redmine users that are involved into this are going to receive this as an email notification that this ticket is updated with this command. So in our case, we are logged in as administrator, and this girl here, Elizabeth Stone, is going to receive an email notification for this command. And also, if there are other assignees or some watchers here, they are also going to receive this email notification. So yeah, this is it. This is the feature Send Note by default. If we go back here into the global helpdesk settings and then enable again, then we refresh our ticket and we see that when we click the edit, it will automatically set this as enabled for sending a note to the client. So both buttons, reply and edit, are going to be enabled for sending note to the client. And if we have disabled this feature, then when we click reply, it will have automatically set this feature, and when we click edit, it will have automatically disabled the feature for sending note. So this is the difference. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of the help desk. Bye bye for now.